explain about screaming like, ah! Let Apple explain it. Okay, so Queen was telling me about this thing, what just looks like what looks like me. Yeah, he is right. And it is really tall, monstrous like. And Queen said it almost hidden. And it also went to go kill Melon. What do you mean by Melon? Let me go see. Let me go prove it. If it's not real. Queen is just dumb. I'm not dumb. It's exploding softball and Melon. You okay? Guys, let me throw the body to just show you what he did. It looks like he was like punching him and scratching his face off. It was like he was scratching his face off. Look at him. Oh, man. I almost just went to the fire and burned. Oh my god. That he literally just pulled Melon, almost all of Melon's skin off. He barely even has some. I could hear it. I saw it peek through down. It had so much Apple antennas. So Apple antennas. Yes, Apple antennas. What do you mean by Apple Apple antennas? Okay, bro, chill. Don't just scream at me. Ow, you crazy? You trying to kill me? Look at all that blood. Not gonna lie. I hope it's not night again. The water event is going on. Only for 1 second. Really, 1 second of a water event? Really? You serious right now? 9 time again? But can you go see for yourself to see if it comes out of the water again? Because that's the place that's the place I saw it come from. Please don't kill me. Please don't be real. Please don't be real. Please. My mom's kinda homeless. It's real. Wait, I forgot. Is that the thing? What we saw on the news? And then we went to go camping together. Please don't. It's almost burnt. Wait, didn't Apple say it is afraid of flying and water? Oh my gosh. So much body. Oh, it's gonna be attracted on eating the bodies. Let's go throw like sticky bombs at it. Okay. Let's go throw sticky bombs and
pleasure, the dangerous sort.
oh, it doesn't know. Kill him. Yes! 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 Let's just go now.